Meaning of electric shock.
Electric shock.
Electric shock.
Electric shock.
Electric shock. Electric shock refers to the physical impact caused by the flow of electric current through the body. The effects of electric shock vary depending on the severity and duration of exposure. Mild shocks can cause a tingling sensation, while more severe shocks can result in burns, muscle contractions, seizures, cardiovascular complications, and even death in extreme cases. The degree of injury incurred during electric shock depends on various factors, including the type and amount of current, the duration of exposure, the path of the current, and the individual's overall health status.